summation notation. Before we develop a definition for definite integral, let us first consider the sum of series of numbers. X sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub n up to x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n, where can be represented by using sigma notation or Greek capital letter sigma, which corresponds to the English letter S and used to indicate the sum of all. Thus, sum of n numbers given above by read as the sum from I equals 1 to n of x sub I. The variable x's are the second terms of the sum, where x sub 1 is the first term, x sub 2 is the second term, is the term before the nth term, and x sub n is the last term. The symbol I is called summation index, 1 is called lower limit of the sum, and n is called the upper limit of the sum. Thus, the sum from I equals 1 to n of x sub I is equals to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub n up to plus x sub n. Note, the symbol used for the summation index does not matter. Thus, the sum from I equals 1 to n of x sub I equals the sum from j equals 1 to n of x sub j equals the sum from k equals 1 to n of x sub k. And this means the same as x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus etc. plus x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n. Because of this, the summation index is sometimes called a dummy subscript or dummy index. Here are some examples of writing the indicated sum in summation notation. Algebra rules for summation. Example 1. Evaluate first solution. Second solution. Example 2. Evaluate solution. Example 3. Evaluate solution. Example 4. Evaluate solution by distributive rules. By difference rule.
by constant multiple rule. Substitute n to 10. Example 5. Evaluate. Solution. Use constant value rules. The constant value is 2. The end.